A kitting quality gate confirms every unit starts assembly complete.
Kits are delivered line-side in sequence to match the build schedule.
So the FIFO buffer goes here, right?
Yes, exactly as outlined in the standard work, we need to maintain that flow.
Dedicated fixtures are set to hold the tall wash tower securely during build.
Standard parameters are reviewed so every station follows the same build rules.
First article build begins to validate the line before full production.
The base is stabilized with calibrated fasteners to control vibration during operation. The washer drum module is precisely positioned to ensure correct alignment. Controlled fastening locks the drum module to the frame for long-term durability. Automated vision verifies correct seating before the unit moves forward.
Water paths are routed with Poca yoke features to avoid connection errors.
A quick pre-check screens for obvious sealing issues before further assembly.
Airflow components are installed to ensure efficient drying performance.
Proper sealing is verified to prevent air loss and noise during drying.
Control panel mount. Exterior panels are fitted to protect internal systems and define the cabinet.
The dryer door is installed with precise alignment for safety and efficiency. The lint filter assembly is installed to protect airflow and user safety.
Only units that pass safety tests are released for functional validation.
washer cycle is run to verify filling, rotation, and control stability.
Spin testing confirms balance and structural integrity under load.
Dryer heating and airflow are verified to meet performance requirements. Residual moisture is remolded to prevent corrosion and odor before packing. Permanent labels provide full traceability and regulatory information. All test data is linked to the serial number before packout. The foam base stabilizes the unit and absorbs shock during shipping. A stability check ensures internal packing will hold during transport.
The package is fully sealed and ready for palletization.
Shipping labels and handling marks prepare the unit for logistics. Cartons are palletized in a stable pattern to protect tall units during transport. Stretch wrapping secures the load and protects it from dust and moisture. Each pallet receives an ID to maintain traceability in the warehouse.
Finished pallets enter controlled warehouse storage, awaiting shipment.
Pallets are stored in assigned locations to maintain inventory accuracy.
Real-time inventory visibility ensures readiness for customer orders.
Order released.
Did that scan into the MES?
Yes, I got the tag ready for the next one.
Only approved units are released, while any issues are isolated to prevent line disruption.
Released units are staged close to the line to ensure smooth, just-in-time feeding.
Approved subassemblies are unpacked and transferred into controlled work-in-progress carriers. Approved reworked units re-enter finished goods logistics. Packaging waste is segregated for responsible recycling. Metal scrap is collected separately to enable efficient recycling.
Plastic waste is sorted by type for controlled regrinding.
Non-recyclable waste is contained for licensed disposal.
Approved audit units return to normal shipment flow. A final buffer holds approved pallets ready for scheduled dispatch.
Carrier verified.
The final scan records the pallet's departure from the factory. Completed WashTower units leave the factory through controlled logistics channels. Sorted cardboard is baled and prepared for certified recycling partners. Plastic film waste is separated and baled to enable downstream recycling. Non-recyclable waste is stored safely until licensed disposal. Production results are reviewed to support continuous improvement. Pack-out area is reset and ready for the next production cycle. Unused packaging materials are stored in an organized FIFO system.
Safety guard secure on the lift assist. The conveyor alignment is good. Logging the findings now.
Make sure everything is logged before you leave.
Already done. That was a smooth shutdown.
See you guys later.
Final outbound lanes remain organized to support continuous shipping operations.
Inbound carriers are checked in before entering the loading area. Gate control is a realistic step before outbound loading.
Approved pallets move toward the dock for final loading.
Pallets are positioned precisely at the dock to maintain safe loading flow.
Seal verification ensures shipment integrity at departure.
Finished WashTower units leave the factory for distribution.
The factory stands ready for the next production cycle.